I'm gonna do a quick rundown of what's going on, man. Now we in an uptrend on the 1 hour on NQ, as you can see. ES is the same shit as y'all can see over here. Broke structure right here, never shifted structure, had a little failure swing, started to push up again. Now we done filled this 1 hour fair value gap. Same over here, but if we come down to the 15 minute, we have the SMT at these highs. NQ's 15 minute tapped into this fair value gap, started to reject and push below its previous candle. Right here, boom, push below that shit. We come to the 5 minute. Look at what we did. We created SMTs. And then what did we do? We shifted below this swing low, created a 5 minute fair value gap. We got this breaker right here, down move, up move, swept liquidity. It aligns with the 5 minute fair value gap. NQ did the same shit. If we come down to the 1 minute, we can kind of expect us to come back up into this area and reject and start to sell off. Now what is this line right here? This is equilibrium of this range. Equilibrium of this range. Why did I choose this range? Because this is the Asian range. This is equilibrium. We got a sell side level and a 15 minute fair value gap in here. So my bias is kind of targeting that. Again, I need a SMT, I need a 1 minute setup and all that shit. We got to come back into this 5 minute fair value gap. Now we could just hold this one right here, but I don't think we will. Just because of the breaker block right here and this breaker. This ain't no breaker, this mitigation block and order block. I think we're gonna come back up into this motherfucker right here. And we just swept these lows. And we got these fair value gaps that we filling. So I think we're gonna have to come back up in here. So we just gonna wait and see what happens. 2 a.m. hits in 8 minutes. And we could just sell off or create some highs, push lower. This could end up being equilibrium, come up, sweep these highs, and then push down. There's a lot of different things we could do. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm bearish until this gets hit. Once this gets hit, I'm back bullish a little bit. Yeah, so we could come up here. This would make a lot of sense. Sweet midnight open, start to expand down. I don't know if we're gonna come all the way up there to fill the 5 minute, but cause that's a little high, but we could. Could this be a 15 minute breakaway gap? I don't think so. Got SMCs at the low. Another SMC, smaller time frame. Not even really worth mentioning too much, but I do want y'all to see this shit. So we should start to push up now. Back into this range. Should break these highs soon. We still holding that 1 minute fair value gap pretty well. We did close above it with this candle though. This candle did close above it right here. But nothing major. This might have been a breakaway gap. Since we already have an SMT right here, stop rate, 15 minute fair value gap, new weekly opening gap. I gotta see how this 5 minute and this 15 minute closes before I can make a decision on whether we're gonna run for this sell side level or not. Now it's looking like we will, but just cause it looks like it don't mean we will. I also thought it was gonna break through this high and it didn't. It held this fair value gap and pushed down. That close above wasn't really much. Never invalidated the first candle in this 3-candle formation. It looked like we starting to put these highs right at equilibrium, but I'm thinking we're gonna sell off. Yeah, we're gonna sell off. We got a minute and some change left. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. If it closes above this low, this what time is that? If it closes above the 145 low, I'm not taking this shit. I think this 15-minute was a breakaway gap, but I still need some type of SMT. All right, we do have an SMT right now, right here. Let's see if we create another setup right here, cause I can't get filled up here. If we create another setup, I can put my stop up here though. This would have been a beautiful trade as soon as I seen the SMT form, but I wasn't too confident in that. Oh, ES is pushing up into it though. Might have to take this on ES. 156. Oh man, that's a terrible fill, bro. You're not reacting at all, my boy. Alright, we just got stopped. Yeah, we might be running for equilibrium. We do have another SMT right here though. We back at break even on the account. And I risked way too much on this trade, obviously. I risked shit 700 basically. I was up 787, now I'm only up 99, so I should have took today off probably. I gotta be okay with letting this shit run without me, instead of always trying to look for a trade. I'm already looking for another opportunity to get in. That's what I've been doing wrong. I just keep looking for reasons to get in instead of just waiting for the right thing to happen. That little 700 I was up in the last 2 days was really a fluke, bro. I shouldn't have been up that much. I was building bad habits and that turned into me losing everything. Back at break even now. And I've been risking 5 contracts. I said my risk management was on point, but in reality 5 is what I was capped at, and my stop loss just happened to be smaller on my loser. So I was naturally risking less. But if I could have risked more, I probably would have been. We did create relative equal lows, so we might push all the way back up and sweep these highs out and then push down. But I don't even really feel like being on the charts no more. Might just call it a day and come back for New York. Doing dumb shit. I can't even bring myself to be mad. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I keep saying, why did I do that? Like, I'm getting tired of this shit. it's almost like the moment you want to get in, just hold out a little bit longer. Hold out a little bit longer. Okay, you want to get in again, hold out a little bit longer. And then eventually price is going to tell you, okay, you have to get in. That's what I need to be doing, bro. Like, okay, you have to get in now. Wait for price to tell you you have to get in. I don't even have my rules open right now. Like, I'm just completely out of my fucking shit. Just doing shit. No plan, no rules out. Like, okay, this looks good. SMT fair value gap. This is the draw on liquidity. Let's take it right here. And then I went on ES to risk more. In reality, I would still be in drawdown, but I would still be okay if I was on my if I would have just stayed on MES. See, look, if I would have kept my limit right here, this was where my stop was, I would still be okay right now. Now it might get stopped out, but we don't know that yet. This fair value gap is really still holding. And if it does get stopped out, I would have lost about half of what I just lost. Maybe even less than half. Gotta do better, bro. Can't keep doing this stupid shit. It's not worth it. I must have hit my daily loss. I didn't even realize. Another SMT. Maybe I'm putting too much faith in these SMTs. I still got faith in this fucking low. And we got goddamn 3 SMTs. I'm taking this on my live account. My dumb ass shouldn't have over risked on ES. Should have kept my goddamn stop up here like I had it originally. And honestly, I could get stopped out on this. I'm just not in the mood to give a fuck. And I know I blow my account thinking that way, so this is my last trade. Well, 3 a.m. just hit, if you couldn't tell by the volatility. I really almost blew my account, bro. I probably would have blew my account because I'm pretty sure that shit got stopped on ES. I don't know where I put my stop at. Maybe it was up here, but probably would have blew my fucking account. Tap into that fair value gap and dip off. No, the other way. Dip off the other way, bro. That's the wrong way. You going the wrong way, my nigga. He just a little confused. He a little lost right now. He finna drop back down. Watch. Just let him do his thing, bro. Just let him do his thing. We literally hit a 1.82. And I got them. Oh, we hit a 1 to 2. I didn't even touch that motherfucker. I did not give a fuck. I was just watching. Could've took right there. But now we about to get stopped. After all that, nigga had a 1 to 2 in his pocket. That's like 140, nigga.
I'm not gonna lie, I've had this thought before too. And it's like, God really created like an infinite amount of realities where you're winning, bro. Where you got that $1 million house, where you got that Lambo, that Huracan, where you got that yours, where you got everything that you ever desired. He really created that already. It's just in your mind. It's just up to you for you to bring it into reality. It's not that it hasn't already been made. It's already there. You just have to bring it out into the world. It's not creating anything. It's taking that's from within you and bringing it into reality.
Nope, we didn't get stopped. We're real close. I was probably up 140 at one point and I didn't even fucking realize. I should have had the goddamn money amount on instead of fucking ticks. But yeah, I'm getting off the charts cause I'm acting a goddamn fool. And I'm gonna blow my account, you feel me? So I'm gonna catch y'all niggas on the flip side.